In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand your image using Photoshop by increasing its canvas size and effectively extending its content. First things first, open your image in Photoshop. You're likely familiar with this, but it's always a good start to ensure that your image is properly loaded into the workspace before you begin any adjustments. Once your image is open, we want to focus on increasing the canvas size, giving us more room to work with. This step is crucial for those moments when you want to add more context or space around the existing image. You'll want to select the Crop tool, which you can quickly access using the keyboard shortcut, C. Now, with the Crop tool selected, go ahead and drag the handles outwards. As you do this, you'll notice that the canvas area begins to grow, providing you with that extra space you're aiming for. After you've adjusted the canvas size to your liking and have an adequate amount of space to fill in, you'll see that there's now an empty area visible in your image. This new area might appear transparent or show the default background color, depending on your settings. Our next step is to fill or extend this space seamlessly, and that's where we have a couple of effective options. One powerful feature in Photoshop for this task is the Content-Aware Fill. With the empty area selected, head over to the Edit menu and click on Content-Aware Fill. What this does is quite impressive. Photoshop analyzes the surrounding pixels of your image and intelligently attempts to generate new content that looks natural and consistent with what's already there. It's a fantastic time saver and often produces stunning, seamless results. Take a moment to let Photoshop work its magic and generate the new content. It might take a few seconds, but patience here pays off. Once it's done, carefully review the changes. Sometimes the automated process is spot on, but there might be occasions where you'll want to make slight adjustments or touch-ups to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied with the appearance of your extended image, the final step is to save or export your work. This is key to preserving all that effort and creativity you've put into enhancing your image. Choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it be JPEG, PNG, or any other option that works for your project, and make sure to select a safe place to store it. And there you have it. Expanding an image's canvas and extending its content in Photoshop doesn't have to be a complex process. With these clear steps, you can confidently give your pictures the extra space they need. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.